Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Wanted to tell you all about this awesome new opportunity, this new app that's paying Uber and Lyft drivers money. So I'm gonna have a link below, and without further ado, I'm gonna get right into this. I always want to share new opportunities with Uber and Lyft drivers, gig workers, on how to just generate more income. That was kind of the whole point of this channel. And then, we started doing a bunch of other types of content, as you guys know. So this is the app. It's on my home screen right here. It's called Current. Current is amazing. I absolutely love it. I have my little profile here, Dylan, as you can see in the top left. If you can sign up to get a debit card, but look at this. So they have this thing called Savings Pod, and it earns 4% APY. So every time you do an Uber Lyft ride, throw $1 or $2 in there, and after a while, it's gonna start earning a lot of money. 4% APY is really big. Savings grow automatically with roundups and automated transfers. Transfer money in and out instantly. Grow your savings faster with 4% APY. If you know anything about savings, usually it's like 0.05 or something at like Bank of America. This is 4%, it's really big. And also you can set up direct deposit to get paid up to 2 days faster. Get the most out of Current when you connect us with your employer. Free overdraft up to 200 bucks. So if you go negative 200 bucks, they will not charge you. Continue. Let's see, employer or payroll provider. So you're basically just gonna have to type in Lyft. Yeah, they even have Lyft on here. That's actually really awesome. Log in using your Lyft driver account. So it's literally connected. Let's see if they do have Uber. I believe they should have Uber on here as well. They do. They have Uber driver. That's really amazing. So yeah, I believe, let's check out the other apps. They have Uber Eats. I'm sure they have DoorDash. Yeah, guys. So when you sign up for this is effing amazing. I'm sorry for my language, but, it's really, really good. You're going to get really good. You're going to get paid up to 2 days faster on all your money that you earn. So if you earn $1,000, you can get it 2 days faster. And I know there is instant cash out, but they charge you on Uber. You save like 25 cents every time. I mean, this is a really good opportunity. Start saving over, and it's like the small amount. Yeah, you save 25 cents, but put that 25 cents in your savings account, and it slowly starts to build up. Another $1 here, another $1 there. Save money here, save money there. No overdraft fees. Save that $35 charge that I've gotten so many times. Withdraw or add cash. Find a fee-free ATM. So those ATMs that charge fees, they don't got those. They do no fees. Activate offers and swipe to earn points. Let's see. So it looks like they have offers on here. Gas station offers nearby. So when you use your card, they're gonna pay you extra money. So anyways, I'm super excited about Current. Please use the link below to sign up. It's really awesome, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye now.